Top tips for scanning a house with CubiCasa mobile app.
Let's recap what you need to do before you start your first scan. Make sure you have a fully charged phone when you show up. You don't need to put on an airplane mode. You can dismiss any calls that income during the scan. Open up all the doors to easy access to all the rooms. Remember to put on all the lights. Open all curtains and window blinds to allow in maximum amount of light into the property. Once you are ready to start the scan, keep the phone chest height, tilt it a little bit forward 5 to 10 degrees, walk straight ahead and make slow turns. Capture the property in one full scan. Do not point the camera down towards the ground, and do not come close furniture or other surfaces in the property. And with that, you should be good to go.
When you start scanning your house, avoid rapid movements or spinning. Scan the exterior areas such as the pools, terrace, balcony in the same manner as the interior. When scanning the stairs, keep your camera straight ahead and walk forward slowly. If you must open doors while scanning, point the camera of the device away from the door while you open it.
And lastly,
scan small spaces from the door without entering the space.